Hello and welcome to Main Street Party of 4. Today we're going to take a ride on alien swirling saucers, so come on along.
Welcome home!
All right, here we go. We are getting...
Remain seated with your seatbelt fastened, your hands, arms, feet, legs, claws, and antenna inside your rockets, and supervise your children. Safety first. Su atención, por favor. Para su seguridad, permanezcan sentados con sus cinturones de seguridad bien abrochados y las manos, brazos, pies.
Here we go.
Fully seated, fully and properly seated.
Aren't you having the most fun ever? Woo! All right, that's gonna do it from Alien Swirling Saucers. You know what we like to say.
Don't forget to share the magic.
Main Street Party of 4!